Hey guys, we hadn't made a video in a while because our camera is kind of on the fritz. But here's what we've been up to. Right here was a big cluster of bee balm and daylilies. Well, we separated out the daylilies and got them in the ends of the beds right there, and sorry about the swinging over here, and moved them around, cleared out the middle. And the bee balm, it was moved right here in one clump. Right there is another clump in between our 4 apple trees. Hopefully it does well here. Moved another clump up here in the front of our fence and see how it does there. You can hear the traffic. Sorry about the wind, guys. It's pretty stiff here today. Here we have our brassicas that we moved out of the house. There's some broccoli and cauliflower and a couple different kinds of cabbage. You have to excuse me, I don't remember the exact kinds right offhand. Some of them have died and some of them are dying, but hey, you know, it's sad, but this breaks the game. We moved these out of the house, so it's another transplant, and transplants are always kind of iffy. Here we have some cucumbers and little peas trying to come up. Everything's coming along pretty good. Now these are planted from seed, not transplant. But they're coming up, so we're making progress. Now back here, these collards are trying to make a comeback. Now we got 4 harvests off of them through the winter. And our last harvest, I pretty much scalped them, figured I'd call it the last one. And since I hadn't dug them up or tilled them under, you can see they're trying to make a comeback. I swear, tough plant. Now over here was some asparagus. You might remember on earlier videos, I'd said I was supposed to move it last year and I missed some, so I moved it just a while ago. And here's where I moved it to. You can see there's more than the asparagus I had back there. That's because we had a bed out here in the front. You have to excuse me while I'm walking. Right here. It had gotten totally overgrown, and there was asparagus and some strawberries in there. So we decided our best bet was just take it all out and transplant. Therefore, we got the new asparagus bed, and back here, 35 strawberry plants. Now they're looking kind of sad right now, but they just got transplanted and just got watered in, so we're hoping for the best. Right here, I cleaned out this raised bed. Over there, I'd left what was in there. It's looking pretty good, don't you think? And here, I planted some garlic. Hoping for the best on that too. It's a little late for garlic, but our other garlic froze. Over here, see this little hole? That was a hydrangea. Now, we moved it with us from Colorado, and it hadn't been doing good, so we decided to move it too. And here's the hydrangea. We moved it out here, closer to the front. Give it a little more morning sun and shade it in the evening. Hopefully it'll do better there. Just had to give you a quick look at our little daffodils. They always make you happy, don't they? Here are our tomato plants. You can see we up-potted about 14 of them to buckets. And the rest are still in their smaller pots, but they're growing. I've got them all staked. We've got them out here to get some sun and hardening off in the wind. I'm ready to put them outside for good, guys. Looking good, aren't they? So we planted them too early. Big deal. In here is where we planted our homemade seed tape. And you can't see it on video, but there's some little baby radishes coming up. and I think some baby lettuce. It's really hard to tell until they get bigger, but I think we're doing okay there. And over here, we have our herbs and some transplants from the front garden. My daughter moved some herbs and stuff back here. A lot of transplanting, moving around, getting stuff ready for the spring. So we're hoping for the best, guys. Spring is coming. You guys have a good one. Peace.